Washington Federal Bank, Lost City Museum, Valley Environmental, Tyler Smith.
He is a great guy.
And
when we went to Ely with him one year, I don't know if you've ever been to Ely, but that little poker run they have, it's like up to Ruth and McGill and all those. Daily driver. That's right.
A new frame?
Really?
I think so.
Our Marcy? No. Which one?
I forget now.
Grocery shop.
Grocery shop. Yeah.
Well, let me tell you what I learned about frames in the last couple of weeks.
What do you know, Richie?
I know. Medium. Great shit.
About the fires. Only about the fires. You got that.
Are you parking cars in Goldsboro? Yeah.
now that's not as good as Moapa Valley. And so I have the flyer up here if anybody wants to get more information on the car auction. We're going to keep America great and strong. We're not going to, not do outdoor events like this because of some sick person. And so I just want to say thanks to everybody that's here.
The first class that we will do will be oldies, pre-1948, original stock. And we give out just first prize, and the winner of that is car number 80, Michael Kelly. Okay, we now have our muscle 1964-1971 modified custom, and our winner goes to car number 11.
Our club, my brothers and I have been coming here for, I want to say, over 10 years.
Just a truck I built for
it's been a lot of fun.
Yancey Taylor. Yancey, you want to come on up? Put in it to maybe, a lot of your guys' cars, high horsepower they are. Best engine. And it's a local. We've known this car. We've seen it a few years in a row now. Car number best interior, Trent Levin. And car number 68, the moment you've all been waiting for. Who was lucky enough to walk out of here with the best of show black and $300 cash? Our winner is car number 58, Gary Bunker. And, thank you for coming. The Moapa Valley Chamber of Commerce appreciates you folks coming, every single one of you. We hope you enjoyed it today. We got all done. The really bad wind never really came, so hopefully just the breeze made everybody feel comfortable. God bless America, and you guys all have a safe.
Fast for us, take the freeway with it.